Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to start YouTube automation with AI 2026, a full tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how you can actually get started with YouTube automation, from picking a niche to actually creating your videos and then making some money. This is a complete step-by-step guide. Alright guys, so what is YouTube automation? As you can see, I looked it up on Google, and Google says YouTube automation involves creating faceless YouTube channels where content is produced using AI tools like ChatGPT in video, ZebraCat, outsourced to teams rather than appearing on camera. Basically, it's like a show and tell with just the content being displayed on your YouTube channel. There's no face, only a voice and the content. All right, so YouTube automation is a way to run a channel without actually showing your face. You get to focus on the content while the AI handles most of the work. And now, one of the most important things, or rather things that people look over, is a niche. So we could simply solve this issue with by going to YouTube. So let's say we want to load up youtube.com on your platform here, on your browser, and you need to choose a profitable niche. What kind of niche would someone going into YouTube automation pick? As I said earlier, YouTube automation involves running faceless channels. So some of the best channels you can run are channels that do not include your face, that actually have a high number of views. You'd find them in YouTube Shorts. This is a YouTube automated video. You'd find most of them as full videos as well that do not include your face. So any video that does not include your face and is also part of storytelling can be considered a YouTube automated video. All right, so now all you need to do is just pick a niche and get to work. Get to work. There are tech tutorials, there are AI tools, there's finance, entertainment like this. There are no faces here besides what is being displayed. And you just give out the information that people require on your YouTube channel, and that way you can make some money from the views you're getting. Like this is just a hand and the phones that they're talking about, and he got up to 3 million views. This is 14,682,000 views just from displaying a phone screen. All right, guys, so choose a niche that people are already searching for. So you need to have a proper niche. One of the ways to take advantage of all these niches and people search would be using the Google trend. So you could simply look up Google trend. It's a wonderful platform where you could you know get to see what is actually trending around you. So if you hit Google trend and open up trends.google.com, you're going to see that it leads you over to where you can get your information needed for your channel. So let's say you run a tutorial channel based or built around tutorial videos. So you could just simply use the explore here to simply search for how to. And then once you do, just hit enter and you get to see the amount of people who have searched this particular word in a few hours or in a few days. You get to see the categories and some other useful pieces of information, like how much is this, how to check your BVN, all of this good stuff. You get to work on this for your channel. All right, so now we found how to get our video titles and topics for tech tutorials. Now, for the other forms of media on YouTube that are also automated, like recaps and you know, let's say how to beats and some other good stuff. You can get your clips from other platforms. You could get them from PlayStation Store if you're running a gaming channel, and you could also generate some of your videos. Yes, you could use generated videos. Now for movie shorts, you just have to download the movie and then simply cut it into smaller pieces. You could get that done using artificial intelligence. All right, so moving on from here, the next thing is generating your video ideas with AI. Now, one wonderful platform that does this well is ChatGPT. ChatGPT and Perplexity AI, they both do this so well. So all you need to do is just go ahead and search up something like Perplexity. So let's say we want to use Perplexity. Now, perplexity.ai is the website of interest. And once it has opened, all you need to do is just simply ask it a question. You could just simply tell it to give you 20 YouTube videos about tech or 20 short form content videos, or if you're moving into the movie niche, you could just ask it to help you generate titles for your videos. So let's say I wanted to do something for movies. All right, so I asked it to help me generate 10 video ideas for an AI automated movie channel. And now all you need to do is click on submit. Please make sure you have a Perplexity account. You could simply sign up for Perplexity and then you get to, create your content here. So you could see it, you can see some of the video ideas, AI time travel dilemma, the forgotten algorithm, echoes of the upload. These are based off of an AI automated movie channel. So you could just simply change this to a human operated movie channel. You could simply tweak the prompt as much as you need to get the desired results. If these are not your results, you could simply ask a follow-up question. All right, so once you have generated the video ideas, the next thing is creating the scripts. So you can now ask it to generate the video scripts. The best platform for this is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is good with scripts, but you can also still use um, Perplexity to also generate the scripts you would need to accomplish this task. All right. Now, the next thing is generating your voiceovers. So, voiceovers can be created using 11 Labs. All you need to do is just go ahead and search for 11 Labs on your computer, and you're going to find 11 Labs. It's a wonderful platform where you just feed a script into an artificial intelligence, and then it reads it back to you in the desired voice that you require. It's wonderful. You can get a lot of videos done using this. And now the most important thing is actually creating your videos. So now we've gotten the audio, we've gotten the visuals we need. It's now left with creating a video. So how do you go about that? By bringing everything together. You could use CapCut for the editing process, and then you could also make use of 11 Labs image and video generator, or you could go for the standard doll e. Doll e is a wonderful platform where you can generate your videos, and you can also use Sora for that. So let's explore 11 Labs a little bit. So if you head over to image and video, you can see they use OpenAI Sora tool, and you're getting it in 720p. So this is wonderful. So introducing image and video, it's still in beta. Please take note of this, but you can actually switch seamlessly between an image and a video. So let's click on get started and agree to the terms of service. And we could choose to keep it private or share, doesn't really matter. Now, all you need to do is add an image reference. So let's say you want a movie done using images, you can include your image here and then describe your image up and by just entering a prompt, and then to convert that into a video. Now the length of the video depends on your subscription to 11 Labs. That's why I would always recommend you go with a platform like DALL-E. They are good with image and video generation. All right, guys. So now the next thing we have to do, the final thing, is actually creating your thumbnails, because thumbnails are actually what gets you clicks. If you head to YouTube, you get to see that majority of the reasons why people click on videos are because of thumbnails like these, and thumbnails like these. These are all the reasons why people are actually interested in getting things done. All right, so how do you generate a thumbnail like this? Just simply copy the thumbnail or screenshot it so you have a reference. Once you've gotten your reference, you could just head into Canva and then simply search for thumbnails. Please make sure you have a Canva account. It is as important as ever to have an account so you can proceed. Now just type in thumbnails and you find example of thumbnails. Now we have this, which is almost similar to this here. And now all you need to do is just open this up. So go ahead and open it. Now you may need to head over to the templates category if you're looking for more templates. Just click on templates here and then simply type in thumbnails, and you'll be fed with an entire feed of people's work that have been done on Canva. Now with Canva, you can now easily edit some of the thumbnails here and then make it into your own video and apply the thumbnail on your YouTube account. All right, guys. So once you're then done, just go ahead and upload your video to YouTube and then monetize your channel by, getting the accurate amount of subscribers, and then stay consistent and you're done. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.